Moja krásna manželka Dianka. Je tu deň, kedy sme si povedali áno.
Áno na nami vysnívanú spoločnú budúcnosť, na vzájomné zdieľanie našich výhier, prehier a tajných prianí.
I heard the rumors on the news. The Yellowstone could blow and we're all doomed. They say that it won't happen soon, but it got me thinking about what I would do. Did I be running right to you? It's true. I'll be right where you are until the mountains break apart. Slow dancing while the sun goes dark. I'll still be holding you. I'll still be there when the sky erupts. Under the ash, it's only us, laying there as we turn to dust. I'll still be holding you. I'll still be holding you.
Ja, Rastislav, beriem si teba, Diana, za svoju manželku a sľubujem pred všemohúcim Bohom, že ti budem verným manželom, že ťa nikdy neopustím, ani v šťastí, ani v nešťastí, ani v zdraví, ani v chorobe a že ťa budem milovať a ctiť po všetky dni svojho života.
Mám radosť, že si našla muža, ktorý ťa vie rozosmiať, podržať a s ktorým môžeš kráčať životom tak isto, ako si kedysi kráčala s mažoreckou paličkou, s istotou a gráciou.
No one can rewrite the stars. How can you say you're mine? Everything keeps us apart, and I'm not the one you were meant to find. It's not up to you, it's not up to me. When everyone tells us what we can be, how can we rewrite the stars? Say that the world can be ours tonight. All I want is to fly with you. All I want is to fall with you. So just give me all of you. It feels impossible. It's not impossible. Is it impossible? Say that it's possible. How do we rewrite the stars? Say you were meant to be mine. Nothing can keep us apart, 'cause you are the one I was meant to find. It's up to you, and it's up to me. No one can say what we get to be. Why don't we rewrite the stars, changing the world to be ours?
Nikdy neprestaneš byť mojím najbližším, pretože doma je tam, kde si ty. Milujem ťa.
It's not a secret I tried to hide, but I can't have you. We're bound to break and my hands are tied.